Alrighty, what's going on today, you guys? Today I'm going to be talking to you about Garnier Fructis Surfer Hair Power Putty. Yeah, this is a great little product for men, I guess for women, by Garnier Fructis. Yeah, I'm going to talk a little bit about it and why I like it, how I use it, etc. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty small. It's a 3.4 ounce jar of putty. Putty is a little bit different from like gel or paste. It's just, it really is, it almost feels like putty. Like if you've ever felt silly putty or something along the lines that has like a similar texture, that's kind of what this is like. Obviously it's not as dense. You can actually get it on your hands and like use it and spread it through your hair. That's kind of like the general feel of it. And it has definitely a different texture once you put it in your hair as well. This specific one is great for those who want, you know, a pretty strong hold. As you can see, it's kind of cool what they do on this little package. They tell you how strong the hold is. So, you know, it's down there, definitely on the scale, but still has a pretty solid hold for what it is. But it's perfect for those who want a strong hold but don't want that like gelled look. I think that's probably where the surfer hair thing comes from. I have a little bit of longer hair, and sometimes, you know, if I'm going to somewhere that's nicer, maybe like a dinner or some sort of like work event or whatever, then I can use something like this and, like, you know, not have my hair blown all over the place. We'll just keep it really nice and in place without giving it that, like, you know, nasty look. Yeah, it's, you know, it's not gonna spike your hair or anything like that, for sure. Actually using it, I usually just use a tiny little dab. I'll mostly use it right after I shower. Again, I don't really use this every day. It's really only for nicer occasions. So yeah, I'll use a little tiny dab when my hair is slightly wet right after I get out of the shower. It feels really nice and soft in your hair. That's like kind of the best way that I can explain it. You know, it's not, you don't get like the nasty like flakes or anything that you do from gel, and you're not gonna get that like crazy intense hard-headed feeling that you do with gel either. Yeah, it does smell really nice. It has like kind of like a nice little fruity aroma. This is basically what you would expect from this company, Garnier Fructis. If you've ever used like their shampoos or conditioners, it's basically the same like fruity, tropical sort of smell. It's kind of like just like a mixture of things. Not too strong though. I mean, you'll definitely, if someone gets close to your hair, you'll smell it. Like you know, again, I have longer hair. It goes past my nose, so I can definitely smell that it's in there whenever I use it. It is also very portable as well. Again, 3.4 ounces. Just like the shape, it's nice. You can just put it in any sort of, what do you call them? Little toiletry bag or whatever for travel. It's super easy to just take around with you. The lid goes on nice and tight and keeps the putty intact, which is great. You know, it's much better than, I think, than like the squeeze designs. If you've ever used like the old like Got2b whatever gels, when you squeezed them and they would come out kind of like a toothpaste. Those are just like, I don't know, they seem to get all nasty in the cap and everything. So this is just like a much better design than that. I like it. You just put your fingers in, get some on your fingers, boom, you're ready to go. The putty doesn't dry out easily either. Like, I've had this for a while now, and like, it, you know, it's not like it like has turned into some like hardened rock inside. Like, the putty somehow retains its texture even after a long bit of use. So that's really nice as well. Yeah, overall I really like this stuff. I mean, this, you know, it does the job pretty quickly, dries fast. It doesn't have a ton of shine, which is nice. I mean, that's the one thing that I really don't like about regular gels, is they have that like just like nasty shine, and you know, that's just never really good with, especially with longer hair. And you know, and it holds really well throughout the day. One thing I will say that is, if you're, you know, in the water a lot, like if you do surf, if you do, you know, frequent the pool a lot, whatever you do, like, you're gonna have to reapply this. It's not gonna hold through that. Something to keep in mind. But yeah, other than that, I mean, it's really awesome. Again, this is the Garnier Fructis Surfer Hair Power Putty, and yeah, if you have a little bit of longer hair and you're a guy and you just want to maybe, like, you know, just stay a little bit tidied up for most of the day, then I would highly recommend this stuff. Yeah, alrighty guys, take it easy.